What is going on, YouTube? It's been a minute. It's going to be a quick video on how to make a taillight gasket. This could apply for your Accord or any other car. If it's leaking and you have water in the trunk, or where your spare tire is supposed to be if you have a normal car, it'll be leaking there from this taillight gasket, more than likely. Anyways, so I couldn't find these taillight gaskets online. For some reason, nobody makes them. But I did find some taillight gaskets for some other cars, and they were about $25 for a set of two total. What I've done is I've gone to Hobby Lobby, picked up this Silly Winks on clearance also. Got 9 sheets. These are a little bit thinner, the ones I bought on clearance. These 9 sheets were $7. This is 5mm thick, and this is 3mm thick. Comparison to stock. Here we go. Almost dead on. A little thicker, which is good. You want to find the thickest one you can find. These are $1.20 each or something like that, and I can do 2 taillights each. That's 50 cents per gasket. So really easy. You're gonna get a 8mm. Various nuts holding it in. I'm not gonna point them out. You'll figure it out. Take the taillight out, clean it up and polish it, whatever you want to do. I've polished this one. Looks pretty good. The hard to find coupe inner tails. Next up, what you're going to want to do, get a white pen or any type of pen that you can see on black. Place your old one, just like that. Trace it. Mark what's going to be used and what's not going to be used. It's pretty self-explanatory. These holes right here, I don't cut. This one I do though. These holes that punch through for the nuts, I do not cut. And for some reason, it looks like I'm doing the left side, and for some reason it looks like the right gasket is actually exactly the same, just flipped upside down, and it still has the keyhole. Now I've done this one already. See the keyhole. Just polish that up, quick polish, 5 minutes, you know. So it looks like that, and I don't know if it's very important, but I did leave this tab right there. Get your piece of wood or stool like I do, and get yourself a knife and cut it. Now you're going to want to cut it, pop it on the backside, and install. I mean, it's pretty dang easy. And this cost me, what, $7, and I can do, technically I can do 18 taillights since I have 9 of these foam sheets. I don't know how long these are going to last, but if they last me like a year and I have to change them, big deal. I wouldn't try to use the silicone to like 100% seal it, because OEM does not have any silicone. Here's my old one. Look at that nasty stuff. That is why everybody's trunk leaks, because of a 25-year-old gasket or a 10-year-old gasket. Who knows? Then it leaks down, and all of a sudden you got a big water right there. So, just a quick DIY. Remember, Hobby Lobby, maybe Joann's. Look for those Silly Winks. What a weird name. Anyways, guys, just a quick post update kind of deal. I also got a new header. Whitfield. Looks great. Not cheap, I'll tell you that. It's upside down. I mean, looking really good in there. So, just a quick update. Haven't really been doing much. A couple new things to the car. I honestly don't remember where I ended off on YouTube. I did do a headlight retrofit. I did make a video for it, but I haven't posted it. There we go. I even clear coated the headlights, buffed them out. I mean, we're looking pretty good now. These are bi-xenon. Morimoto. Pretty much a budget setup for the projectors. They do have halo rings that are wired to the parking lights or the side markers or whatever. Projectors are $50 and Morimoto HID kit is like $250. So yeah, that's it. I will see you guys soon. Later.